4 pieces of advice that changed my mentality. 1. Stop being afraid to spend money. You spend $1,000 to travel. So what? You are not wasting money, you are buying memories. 2. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is believing that love is finding the right person. In reality, love is about becoming the right person. Don't go looking for the person you want to spend the rest of your life with. Become the person you want to spend the rest of your life with, and the people who deserve it will naturally gravitate towards you. 3. 90% of life is just showing up. That's it. If you show up, there's a chance that something might happen. You'll never know what opportunities you're missing out on until you just go out and do it. 4. You will always have some sort of conflict going on in your life. You must learn to enjoy life while still solving them. There is beauty in everything we experience. You just need to adjust your perception. You can either cry in the storm or dance in the rain. If you're not following us, you will most likely never hear my voice again. But if you are, congratulations. You're growing every day.